Hello and welcome back. This is the second and final video of Module 3 for the World History Research Project. In this video, we will focus on finding primary sources in PelliCat, the library catalog. Also, I will show you how to find primary sources through other online resources and websites. Once again, you will answer several review questions while watching this video. These questions will test your understanding of the material presented. Your instructor will see your responses and monitor your viewership. First, I'm going to show you some simple techniques for finding primary sources in PelliCat, the library catalog. You should do these types of searches in PelliCat rather than EDS. If you searched in EDS, you would get too many results. One good technique is to construct a keyword search using words that relate to your topic. Then add one of these 6 words: sources, personal narrative, correspondence, diaries, interview, and pamphlet. You should focus on personal narrative and sources. These terms are used the most frequently in the subject headings. Now I'm going to show you an example search for primary sources in PelliCat. We are at the library homepage. I will click on the PelliCat tab to search the library catalog. We are now at the PelliCat search box. I'm looking for primary sources on South Africa. I'm going to enter the words South Africa sources and click on search. I get a list of 48 results. Because I did a keyword search, I got quite a few irrelevant results. However, the third result looks like it might be relevant to my search. The title of this book is From the South Africa Past: Narratives, Documents, and Debates. I will click on the title to access the catalog record. Once I'm in this catalog record, I can see that there is a subject heading that will yield a more targeted and precise list of results: South Africa History Sources. I will click on this subject heading. This gives me a smaller, potentially more relevant list of results. In addition to the library catalog, you will be using various online sources to find materials. Your individual research topic will determine the usefulness of the various resources. As you know, the World History, New Connections and Challenges Resource LibGuide contains many excellent recommended resources. Let's take a look at that LibGuide now. The LibGuide is arranged by country. If I were looking for primary source materials on South Africa, for example, I would go to the Africa Guide and select the Primary Source tab. You should spend some time reading the annotations accompanying the titles of the various resources. These descriptions will outline the resource's content and coverage dates. Reading the annotations will help you determine which sources are the most relevant to your research topic. You are also welcome to search for primary sources online if you'd like. Be sure to look for primary sources published by reputable organizations, such as archives, colleges, or universities. So for example, if I was looking for primary source material on the Perry expedition, I will do a basic keyword search in Google. I'm going to use the words Perry Expedition Primary Sources. The second result looks promising. It's called Perry in Japan, and it's published by Brown University Library, which I would consider a reputable, authoritative source. I will click on it to see more. Within this bibliography, you can browse collections of primary sources in the Web Resources section. Again, you should read the descriptions of the collections to determine which ones you would like to explore further. This marks the end of the last video in Module 3, the final module for the research project. Now that you've learned about primary sources, you're ready to tackle your in-class assignment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in class.